Hello everyone, welcome to Gongguan Goolien Packaging Technology Co. I'm Chris Wang, head of the company. Our company mainly produces biodegradable and GRS environmental protection plastic packaging bags. Now I'll show you around our factory. The factory is located in China. Products are mainly made of biodegradable materials, global recyclable environmental protection materials, CPP, POPP, and other materials. The main bag types are self-adhesive bag, zipper bag, die-cut handle bag, dust-proof hanging bag, shopping bags, express bags, bubble bags. The company is equipped with 35 production lines. We have advanced film blowing equipment, 8-color printing machine, integrated bag making process of various bag types, 2 million bags a day. These products are mainly used in clothing, footwear, luggage, express delivery, daily necessities, toys and other plastic packaging. Our main cooperative customers include Media, Adidas and Fila, Essex, Costco and other well-known customers at home and abroad. Our company has BC, ISO 9001, TUV, home compost, industrial compost, GRS recycling certification. TC can be issued through Germany, France packaging law. Products have passed REACH rules and other tests in line with the European and American markets. Our printing using environmental friendly ink, mineral content in line with European and American market requirements. We have our own R&D sales team, mainly provide OEM and ODM customization services. Each link has professional QC check with 10 sets of quality inspection equipment. Our company tenet of quality first, honest service, pioneering, and enterprising service concept. Welcome new and old friends from all walks of life to visit the factory and guidance.